Yes, Heidi, this is for you and Roger. Let's have a look. Hide. It's not that good, is it? Thought the hand would walk better than that, Heidi. £26, expensive for what it is. Bloody rubbish really, isn't it? Thought it'd move a bit better than that. Doesn't look realistic at all. Not impressed, are you, Hyde? Not impressed. Oh, it's bloody rubbish. Rubbish. Waste of £26. Load of rubbish it is, Rog. Load of rubbish. I thought it'd move better than that. Not impressed, are you? You think it's rubbish as well? What a waste of money, eh, Rog? What a waste of money. Try it here on the hard floor. Look, it hardly moves. It can hardly bloody move. Oh, it's rubbish. Rubbish, rubbish, rubbish. Right, that's it. I had enough of this. Load of crap. Load of bloody crap.